Hi, babe. Say hi.
Hi.
Video.
We're making a video.
So, how'd you do today?
Extremely well.
Yeah? Did you fall a lot?
Twice. Son of a bitch. Yeah, that's it. Caught me falling. Fuck.
Ah!
Oh, man.
Alright guys, I'm going to attempt to go down this while videotaping with one hand. If I fall, Mo's going to kill me because I'm going to break his camera. That's how you ski, bitch. Here comes Mo. Let's see if he falls this time.
Oh, what the? Shut up!
Say something.
Fourth day of skiing. I'm semi-pro.
Go!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh shit!
Go! One at a time, people!
I can't stop!
He went straight down like a foot.
Alright, here I'm waiting for Mo. Here he comes. Here he comes through the trees. He's going to do his little jump, bust his ass. Hopefully he doesn't hit me. Here he comes. Oh, that wasn't that bad. Damn it.
No, I'm not falling this time. Hell no, I'm not gonna fall. No way on earth I'm falling again.
Next! Go!
They're so funny. Oh shit.
Yeah, for sure.
Keep recording. This is the fall right here.
She didn't fall. She doesn't suck like you.
Yeah, right. I'm the best.
Asshole.
Look at me from the back.